I recently went through all of my comments and I wanted to find out which thing I have to do next that you guys wanted to see. And one thing I noticed is that these videos are all capsuled and you want to see the whole picture, the missing pieces and everything. So if I looked for some keywords, I found a GTA or mobile or Android or multiplayer or character or animation, loading screens and everything you need. So, and GTA is a very good game that got it all, and that's the reason why everyone wants to make a GTA 5 like game, because it has everything. You can drive vehicles, you can shoot, you can walk around, you can do everything you want. And they wanted to be a mobile game and a multiplayer game. And so I thought, okay, you know, it's completely impossible to write GTA 5 on your own for mobile and multiplayer and all the stuff. But I will shrink this down to a little tiny game which has only a few assets, and you can do all the things that are missing, and I will just show you the principles. And I just created a project on GitHub. And I will do the following. So as you can see, here is one commit and one branch, and with every video I upload in this video series, I will commit all the changes I have done to this repository, which means you can follow the tutorials and just update to the commit. So for example, if you're new to this tutorial series, you can start with the first commit and just copy and clone this repository and just copy the first commit, and after you watch the second video you just pull the second commit, and so on. At first you need a Git client, so you could use Git extensions, Tortoise Git or SourceTree. I really used all the three, and currently I'm using SourceTree. I guess this is the simplest for me. So I will show you how to use SourceTree. You can just go to sourcetreeapp.com and download it for Windows. After you installed and started this app, you can just see the starting screen and you should have a new tab. If you do not have a new tab, just click on the plus and then you click on clone. So you have to enter the source path. You go to GitHub, click on clone, copy this one and paste it here, and you have to set a destination path. It will just use your documents folder, but I will change this. And there we go, we just click on clone and wait. And there we go, we have downloaded the complete repository. In my folder I specified all the files from the repository. This will look different in your clone because you are cloning the most recent version, and maybe the time you are cloning this repository is way bigger. So what you can do is you can update to a specific revision. This is an example project which has several revisions, and this is what it will look like after I uploaded some of the videos and all the commits to it. And you can just click on one of the revisions and say okay, update to the revision, and this means that all the files are set back. So for example, for this video you would click the first one and say update to, and then your folder will be exactly look like this, and this is the first commit and it's completely empty. It's just a git ignore file which says okay, these files will not be committed to the Git repository because they are temporary, a license which is the MIT license, and a README file, and the README file is used to just display some initial text and description on GitHub. That's it for now. Subscribe to follow this series.